do you want?
Is it a baby?
You're very small anyway.
Lila.
What about I just carry you and eat you all up? Eat me? No!
What is that, Lila? Where's the baby?
Mama.
Where's the baby?
Mama.
Come on, say baby.
Baby.
You just said it a second ago.
Lila. Is that a baby?
Lila, what is that?
The potato's done.
Shelly.
Lila, is that a baby? Can you say it? Look. What is this? What is this?
Baby.
Yay! She said it. It scared her. She said baby. Lila.
Said baby.
Baby? What is this?
Oh, she's scared. All right.